see, we are in the kitchen and we're in New England. Nothing says New England summer food like some fried clams. So Amy Traverso from the Yankee Magazine, the senior editor, food editor, you're going to teach us how to make some and tell us some of your favorite spots as well.
Yes. So for this issue, I traveled up the coast to like 25 different clam shacks to find the best. I know, to find the best fried clams. And I have some that I will share with you. But I also want to show you how to make them at home because it's actually quite easy. The only hard thing is sourcing the whole belly clams.
That makes sense.
They can be hard to find.
Where did you source
so I got them from Woodman's in Essex. They source from the best clams which grow in the Great Marsh up there on the North Shore. It's very nutrient rich. They have more flavor, and so they sell kits and they give you everything you need to make them. So I won't make you put your hands in there. They pull them for you? Yeah, they're pre-shucked, but they're the whole belly. They're not they come fresh. You can also mail them, but the shipping is kind of pricey. But you can go there and pick them up. Yeah, it's totally worth it. And I think the fish markets up on the North Shore will have them, but they can be hard to find at, like, say, the supermarket.
Well, we put it all in there.
Put them in there. Okay, so we've got, this is evaporated milk. This just gives them a little sweetness and makes them a little stickier.
Okay.
And this is corn flour, and this is what Woodman's uses, and I like it because it's gluten-free, and it actually absorbs less. Yes, it absorbs less fat. Okay, you want to put, give me a little salt and pepper there, just to kind of season up the flour.
How much do you want?
Just like yeah, that's perfect, perfect. And I'll just toss it in, and then a couple of those. Yeah. Perfect.
A twisty?
Yep, couple twisties. Doesn't need a lot because you don't want to take away from the flavor.
Exactly.
But yeah, the clams have so much flavor. And you know, when they grow in that marsh, as opposed to say growing in sand, they're just like soaking up all the good yummy nutrients. Okay, so we're just going to put these in our fryer. And again, couldn't be easier. Once you source your clams, it's really so easy. You can make them for a crowd. And the other nice thing is Woodman's will give you these cute little to-go boxes.
Also, when you make them at home,
you can serve them just like you're at a clam shack.
I love that. I'll take the rest and throw them in here for you.
So those are going to go in the oil. It takes about 1 minute and 15 seconds to cook these.
Oh, that's not bad.
I like to say it's actually better to listen because you can hear the
crackling.
The crackling gets louder for a little while. And when the clams are done, it will start to quiet. So you can actually be making your other clams and keeping an ear on the batch that's in right now. So it's pretty quick. And
how'd I do?
You did great, actually. You just kind of fluff them and then you shake them off, and that's it.
Nice.
So meanwhile, I have some really nice ones that I've made for you if you'd like to taste. But in terms of places around Boston, I know it's messy.
So we like to go to.
I love the fried clams this one was a surprise, the Park Lunch in Newburyport. It's a sports bar. It's across from the water. You wouldn't think it would have great fried clams, but they are fantastic. They make their own tartar sauce and coleslaw, which makes a huge
love
difference.
A fresh sauce. Yeah.
And then if you're on the Cape, I love Max, which has multiple locations. Like great fried clams, great tartar sauce. Here in Boston, Little Whale, which is on Newbury Street, Michael Serpa.
That's so good.
Perfect. He actually soaks his in buttermilk. Equally delicious. Okay. Makes a really good tartar sauce too. Okay, can you hear that? It's kind of getting a little quieter
slowing down. Yeah.
And it's just that perfect.
That means that the oil has hit every part of it.
Exactly. And some of the water's evaporated. So it's this nice light golden color. It's really easy to overcook clams.
Yeah.
You just want to get them to that shade. And then, and I have some that these are really hot, but why don't I give you these ones?
And I see you have some tartar sauce
little tartar sauce
Did you
if you want to put. That one I sort of zhuzhed it.
Nice. Nothing like a DIY.
Like a little extra, I like a little extra pickle in
Would you like some?
Oh, thank you. That would be lovely.
So you mentioned all of those, were you saying those are the top places that you like to go to?
Those are some really fabulous ones. You can't go wrong. And then on the North Shore, there's Woodman's, which is where they invented the fried clam. So that's a great one. And then the Clam Box in Ipswich, which is so good. And actually, the building itself looks like one of these containers.
That's smart.
So it's
great
really
marketing.
fun.
All right,
and they're great.
You like lemon on yours?
Oh, yeah. Actually, I'm going to put a little lemon on mine.
Well, cheers to you. And where can we find more in this list that you compiled?
So it's in the current issue of Yankee Magazine, which is on newsstands. And then also you can go to newengland.com.
Well done. Thank you so much. Let's taste this.
Yeah, cheers.